Here at Morimoto Lighting, we've been creating the best off-road LED lighting for your vehicle. And what I have in front of me is the Morimoto 4-Banger. You might already be well aware of it. But what you don't know is we've officially come out with additional lenses for purchase. So let's say you bought a spot beam pattern on your 4-Banger, but you really want a wide beam pattern. You now have the option to go to morimotohid.com and buy that additional lens. So now I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to swap over the lenses. Now on the back of the 4-Banger, you have 4 T10 Torx screws that you'll wanna back out. Grab that T10 Torx bit and slowly back out the screws. 2, 3, and 4. Once you removed all those, flip over the 4-Banger and the lens will just come right off. Now grab the lens that you want to swap it with, put the bezel back over, and torque down all 4 screws. Once you have all 4 screws torqued down, you've got your new lens on your 4-Banger and you're ready to roll. And as you can see, it's that easy to swap over your brand new lenses. That's not all. We've actually officially come out with the brand new flood optics for your 4-Banger. Whether you want to use it lighting up the trails, the parking lot, no matter what, we've got you covered with the brand new flood optic beam pattern. If you're new to our Banger series, we do have vehicle specific brackets on our website. We also have the 1-Banger, the 2-Banger, and the Big Banger for whatever you'd like to light up. Head over to morimotohid.com, enter your year, make, and model, and see what we have to offer.